Hello again, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Danny B here again. If you are new to the channel, this is basically part 2 on boarding my heads for my 99 Dodge Durango 5.2-liter 318 motor. Right now, what I'm going to be doing and showing you is real quick how, I guess, to take off. This is the first time I'm taking off valve springs. So, quite easy, but yet a little cringy and a little dangerous at the same time, because you don't know if this thing is going to slip and go wing everywhere. So, you see I've already removed a few of the valve springs already, and the valves, I went to AutoZone and got myself a little valve tool here, and it's my first time using this. So yeah, basically what this is meant for is one side is kind of lower than the other side. I don't have like the rest of everybody's where it has a little clip on the end of these right here, where it has a little tiny clip. No, I don't have that. This is kind of like shady right here. But anyways, torque it down to where I can compress this entire spring all the way up where I can't compress it anymore. Basically what I'm doing is I'm tapping a little bit on the top of this bar, loosening this up, and I have this little magnet here that I'm using to take out the little metal sleeves that are holding this valve and valve spring together. So hopefully none of these, like I said, so far I don't have, well, knock on wood, so far everything has been going smoothly and I've been able to take everything off. So let me go ahead and start on that. Alright guys, I don't know if you can really see the underside of these heads that well, but I'm putting a flashlight up to it, and these things need, it's just a lot of work. So they need to be done around here, especially in here. Look how much rust built up in these bowls here. All the carbon built up here. Just so much work that needs to get done. So well, basically what we're going to be doing is anything that I have that looks and feels like a lip in here, I'm going to be grinding down. I'm not going to be grinding down too much where I'm not going to be able to have the valves sit correctly. I'm only going to be cleaning the inside of this pretty much, and then grinding down anything that has a major lip, or if I see that I have too much meat, which I can see right on the bottom here, it looks like I could definitely cut a little bit, just a touch on the bottom right around in here. But anyways, make a long story short, we're going to get started on definitely cleaning all of this crap up. It is just horrendous. real quick before I finish everything up, let me show you what I've done so far. This is the exhaust side. If you can see, everything is grinded nicely, and you can actually see right straight through beautifully. I kind of, like I said, I ground that lip down just a little. I could grind it down just a little bit more, but if you look at where this little nipple piece is, this piece right here, alright, I grinded that down just a little bit. But yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like when it's done. I did not go anywhere near the seats for the valves. All I did was I got inside and pushed everything inwards towards where the seats sit. And that goes for this side, for the intake side as well. But if you look, this is what it would originally be looking like. Now you see that nasty little lip right in there, this little thing. That's what I'm grinding down and cleaning everything up. And this is what the bulb and the nipple looks like inside before cleaning it and grinding it like that. So, but you can see it opened up a little bit. I could cut and grind just a little bit more off the top here. But yeah, if you look, the difference between that and that is a big difference. We're gonna go ahead now and take care of the rest of the valve seats and shining everything down. We're gonna take care of, I'll show you what I'm grinding down real quick and where I've measured before we go ahead and finish it off. Once we're done, then that'll be it for this head unit, and I'll be doing the same thing on the other one, but I won't be showing you guys that video, obviously. But hopefully you guys are enjoying the video. This is actually my first time doing something like this. I did do a little bit of research. So if you are new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you like the video. So I just got the bowls done. I'll show you guys here in just a minute. But if you can look at this line that I've created. Alright. It's not much to really grind down. All I'm going to do is really just grind this down to where it just sits inside, and then I'm going to clean inside all this from the rust. Alright, so here we go, everybody. This is pretty much the end result to this disastrous looking head. I will be doing the same thing on the other head unit. On the other head, but I was able to get all this nice. This is all, it looks like junk on video, but to be honest with you, when you actually run your finger through, it's actually smooth. It just looks rough cut. it just looks rough cut. So I still got a little bit of some junk right down in the corners here. You can't really see, but you can see that I have just a touch bit of rust just around this little tiny nipple that needs to come out. But other than that, we're done with porting the valve bowls here. This is what it looks like. It's all grinded down nice and smooth on both sides. They don't have any more of that nasty lip, so it'll open up just a little bit more. But yeah. Whew. So this took a little bit to do, and I still have to take care of the other head. So I hope you all enjoyed what I did or liked what I did. This is the first time I'm porting heads. So other than that, this is not fully 100% done. In next video, I will be showing you guys exactly what this looks like fully done. Sanded down, completely cleaned, and painted black. At the same time in that video, the last piece of the porting puzzle that we're going to be doing is taking this nasty, decrepit throttle body of mine and porting this. Once we're done porting this, then it starts. It begins. We start putting the truck up, tearing the engine apart, replacing all the gaskets in the entire engine, including the transmission. At the same time as we're doing that, I will be looking to see if I can find a replacement torque converter, because the torque converter that's in my transmission right now is starting to slip, which is not a good sign, especially if I'm putting twin turbos. I don't want to destroy another transmission altogether. With that being said, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you are new to the channel, please definitely subscribe and hit that bell notification up top, because we're going to be starting to do a lot more performance engine modifications to my 318 Dodge Durango. It is a 99, if you are new to the channel. Thank you all that are a part of my channel. I really do appreciate it. You guys are amazing. Please, everyone, be safe, and I will see you guys in the next video here in the next couple of days. So be prepared for a lot more power shortly. A lot more fun shortly, too. Alright? Later, guys.